Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best workshop signs is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your workshop, ensuring not only a safe and organized workspace but also a professional and welcoming environment for clients or collaborators. Choosing the right sign can drastically improve efficiency, reduce accidents, and elevate the overall aesthetic appeal of your workshop, making it a space you're proud to work in and show off. Number 5. ADVPRO WPA0218 Personalized Sign. It's easy to add a personal touch to your garage or man cave. Simply click Customize Now and add your name, a special date, or any text you like. This sign is made from premium 3/4-inch solid pine wood. It's built to last and add a touch of rustic charm to your space. Each sign is handcrafted with a two-tone stain finish and protected with a sealer for durability and beauty. The attention to detail is evident in every piece. Installation is a breeze. It comes with a sawtooth hanger on the back, making it simple to hang and display. Looking for a unique gift? This personalized sign is perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, or any special occasion. It's also great for business occasions. Make a statement with this unique and personalized wooden sign. It's the perfect way to showcase your personality and style. What we like. It's made of premium solid pine wood and is handcrafted with a unique two-tone stain finish. If you appreciate quality craftsmanship and want a personalized touch, this is the perfect choice for your workshop or as a gift for someone special. This sign adds a touch of rustic charm and makes a memorable gift for any occasion. What people say. When we received this sign, we were so happy with the quality. It totally exceeded our expectations. It's a beautiful piece. The quality of the product is worth every cent. This sign is very nice looking and lightweight. This will definitely make it easy to hang in the garage, without worry about it falling off. Number 4. Garage sign, can't fix stupid. This unique sign is perfect for adding a touch of personality to your garage or workshop. It's also highly durable, thanks to its construction. It's designed to withstand the elements. Rain or shine, it will look great for years to come. The sun won't fade its vibrant colors. It's built to last, even in direct sunlight. This sign has a sleek, glossy finish that adds a touch of sophistication. It's also easy to clean. It's made from high-quality materials that can handle bumps and scratches. You can rest assured it will stay looking great. It's easy to install and won't weigh down your garage door or wall. Installation is a breeze. Make it truly your own. Personalize it with a custom message or design to match your style. What we like. This sign is waterproof, UV protected, and personalized to your liking. If you need a durable sign for outdoor use or a high-traffic area, this is the one for you. Its resilience ensures it will last for years, displaying your message clearly and boldly, no matter the weather. What people say. It looks perfect and I know he is going to love it. It's high quality and well made. The sign came out great, just perfect, and arrived way sooner than indicated. Looks just like the picture. Number 3. Grandpa's Workshop Aluminum Sign. Show your appreciation with this unique sign. It's the perfect gift for the special grandpa in your life. This sign is the perfect size for any workshop or garage. It's easy to hang and adds a touch of vintage charm. It features a vintage workshop design that's sure to impress. Made of durable aluminum, it's built to last. It's perfect for the garage, shed, or even the patio. It can withstand the elements, year after year. With 4 pre-drilled holes, hanging it is a breeze. Get it up and enjoy it in minutes. This sign is proudly made in the USA by a family-owned business. You're supporting American craftsmanship. Birthdays, Christmas, Father's Day, or just because, it's a thoughtful gift for any occasion. What we like. Made of durable aluminum, it's weather, rust, and fade-resistant. If you're looking for a funny and long-lasting sign for your garage or workshop, this is a great option. It's perfect for adding a touch of humor to your space and can withstand any condition. What people say. The customized sign came out great, and the turnaround was speedy. The quality was excellent. The sign is very sturdy and the print and graphics clear. Look at the sizing. It worked perfectly for what we wanted. Number 2. Man Cave Woodshop Sign. This unique sign is the perfect gift for the woodworker in your life. It's personalized, durable, and adds a touch of rustic charm to any space. It's made from high-quality metal for lasting durability. The matte finish gives it a sophisticated look that will complement any decor. Add a personal touch by including a name. It makes this sign extra special and shows you care. This sign is ideal for man caves, workshops, or any space needing a touch of personality. It's a great way to show off your passion. It's lightweight and easy to hang. Simply find the perfect spot and enjoy your personalized sign. Looking for a unique gift? This personalized sign is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to be appreciated. What we like. This personalized metal sign has a sleek matte finish. If you prefer a modern and stylish look for your workshop, this sign is a perfect choice. The matte finish gives it a sophisticated touch, while the personalization makes it unique to you. What people say. Fast shipping for custom sign, good quality. It was beautifully worked and it came quickly. The colors are vibrant and the sign is well made. The personalization is perfect and the finishing touches are great. There is a small hole in each corner for hanging. Number 1. Custom Workshop Sign. Looking for a truly one-of-a-kind gift? This custom-made wooden sign is perfect for birthdays, Father's Day, or any occasion. It shows you put thought and care into choosing something special. Celebrate his love for woodworking or his workshop with this personalized sign. It's a beautiful and functional piece that he'll cherish for years to come. This isn't just any sign, it's a handcrafted work of art. The durable wood and detailed 3D tools make it a statement piece he can proudly display. Add a personal touch by customizing the text on the sign. Make it reflect his name, a special date, or a meaningful message. Whether he's a seasoned craftsman or just starting out, this sign is a fantastic gift that shows you appreciate his hobbies and passions. It's a gift he'll truly love and use. This isn't just a gift, it's a symbol of your love and appreciation. It's a thoughtful present that will remind him of your care every time he sees it. What we like. This custom wood sign features unique 3D tools. If you're looking for a truly unique and personalized gift for the woodworker in your life, this is it. The 3D tools add a special touch, showing your appreciation for their craft. What people say. Said it is made out of walnut and just beautiful. The craftsmanship and material are top grade in every respect. This is a beautifully crafted sign. Very nice quality, beautiful wood and finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.